Okay, so we have this problem that we did not finish last meeting from the workbook on page 87 or maybe 88, number 2. So this was the problem. I read 1/4 of a book on Saturday and 2/5 of the remainder on Sunday. If 36 pages still remains to be read, how many pages are in the book? Okay, R should be small letter. Okay, I mean A should be small letter. Okay, so basically, I started reading on Saturday and I finished 1/4 of the book, right? And therefore, there are some remaining pages that you have not read. And whatever remaining pages that you have not read, you read 2/5 of that remainder on Sunday. And after you read Saturday and Sunday, you still have 36 pages left unread. And so the question is, how many total pages are in the book altogether? Okay, so let's start. So since we know that 1/4 of the book was read on Saturday, by the way, in this lesson we will apply the ones that you learned from last time, the fraction using models. Okay, so the whole thing we divide into 4, and the one part which I will darken in here represents the number of pages that was read on Saturday. Alright, so therefore the green parts, or 3 of the 4 parts, which is green in here, represents the remaining pages after you read, or after I read on Sunday, or Saturday, I'm sorry. Okay, and then it says on Sunday I read 2/5 of the remainder. Okay, so therefore these 3 boxes here, I need to divide into 5, right? So since this is already divided vertically, we will divide this one horizontally now. Okay, so I will divide this one in 5 horizontally. So that's the first strip. This is the second strip, third strip, fourth strip, and fifth strip. Okay, so the originally green pages or green boxes are now blue, and you have how many smaller boxes? So you have 15 smaller boxes now. And then let's go back. It says 2/5 of the remainder. So therefore, since this one has 5 horizontal strips, 2/5 of those, so we pick 2/5 of those. See those first 2 on the top, so they will represent the pages that I read on Sunday, correct? Okay, and of course the remaining strips, which you can see right now, like sort of like red borderline things, they are the pages that represents the 36 pages, these are the pages that I have not read at all. Okay, so let's forget about those other. Let's just focus our intention on this part. So as you can see, how many smaller boxes are there? Okay, so you might be able to see that now. So you have 9 boxes is equal to 36, right? So therefore 1 box is equal to 4. Alright, so let's go back. So now therefore those wiggly boxes over there that you saw, which constitutes the remaining boxes, you'll have like 15 smaller boxes, right? So you have 15 smaller boxes, will be 15 times 4, which is 60. And these are the pages that you have not read after Saturday. Okay, so therefore if you want to include Saturday, can you see now that Saturday actually is like 1/4 of that, so 1/4 of the whole thing. So can you see that on Saturday, if you extend all your horizontal lines, you will also have 5 boxes on Saturday. So therefore overall you have 20 smaller boxes for the whole book, and that would be 80 pages. So therefore there are 80 total pages. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. I will give you similar problems like this in our project, and hopefully you'll be able to get this one, and we'll try some more of this next time.